Greetings, classic car people, and all my classic car fans. This is for a Chevy Monte Carlo. This particular year, as you see, is an 88. Having problem with my turn signals went out. So this particular car, this year, 88 models, they have two flashers. Unfortunately, instead of one, which would have been easier, but General Motors has to make things difficult. So now, if your flashers go out, it's the flasher. Then your turn signal is separate. So I just fixed it. So now, oh, by the way, this particular one, as you can see, manual. Monte Carlos didn't come with a manual. This particular setup was from an IROC Camaro installed here. So runs pretty good. So, okay, so if your turn signals are not operating, this is why. That both flashers are under here, driver's side, actually right to the right of the emergency brake pedal. And hold on. Sometimes you can reach underneath. If you can see, as you can see, hopefully you're getting this. Both flashes are right under here. Trying to turn the light off so we can see. Okay. Both flashers, see? There's the flasher. And right above it is the turn signal flasher. You got to reach under there with your hand. That's the emergency flasher, 4-ways. Right above it is the turn signal flasher. And if your turn signal's not operating, that's why. You have to reach under there. It's kind of difficult to get to, but that's where it is. On these cars, it's right under just to the right of the emergency brake pedal on a Chevrolet Monte Carlo.